In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your calendar in a Microsoft Outlook email 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send your Outlook calendar to someone by email with the right level of detail and privacy. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Outlook link to open the web version. If you use this often, consider bookmarking the page so it's quicker to return next time. Once the site loads, sign in with your Microsoft account. Complete your usual sign-in steps and make sure you're using the account that holds the calendar you want to share. If you have multiple profiles, double-check you're in the right one. After you land on the Outlook homepage, look to the left side panel and select Calendar. The calendar icon sits below Mail. This will display your schedule in your chosen view, like day, week, or work week. Any of these views will work for sharing. Next, find your calendar in the left pane. Hover over it and click the three dots beside the calendar's name to open its options. If you keep several calendars, make sure you're opening the menu for the correct one, such as your primary calendar versus a shared team calendar. From that menu, choose Sharing and Permissions. This opens a panel where you control who can see your calendar and what they can see. It's the central place for managing access. In the box provided, type the email address of the person you want to share your calendar with. Enter it carefully to avoid sending access to the wrong recipient. If you're sharing with more than one person, you can add them one at a time here. Now choose the permission level. Typical options include showing only when you're busy, showing titles and locations, or showing all event details. In some setups, you may also see editing permissions. For most cases, sharing all details is great when you want someone to fully understand your schedule, while the busy only option is best for privacy. Pick the minimum access necessary for the recipient to do their job. When you're ready, click Share. Outlook will send an email to the recipient with a link to view your calendar. Let them know to check their inbox and accept the invitation. If they don't see it, a quick look in junk or spam can help. You can always return to sharing and permissions later to adjust or remove access if circumstances change. That's it. You've successfully shared your calendar from Outlook on the web safely and clearly right from your email environment.